In a given thermodynamic process, circular nature, find the magnitude of work done by the gas in cycle ABCA. Actually, when we speak, if it is a complete circle, net work done 0 போட்டு போயிடலாம். Here, the net work done over ABCA is half the area of the circle. Half the area. Half into ஏரியால நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Half the ஏரியான்றது, here this is the half area. Area is nothing but length into breadth. Half into pi r squared. Pi r squared is area by 2. Understand பண்ணிக்கணும். இந்த இடத்துல half into area நம்ம சொல்றப்போ half into pi into what is r? R squared. 1 r is in pressure, another r is in volume. அப்போ ஒரு volume, change in volume into change in pressure தான் அந்த r. அப்போ half into pi into what is the change in volume? Change in volume 200 to 400, அதே போல் 200. ஆனால் அதில் பாதி தான் எடுத்துருக்கணும், நம்ம இந்த வேல்யூ தான் எடுத்துருக்கணும். அப்போ you will have 100. This is in milliliter. Milli 10 to the power of minus 3. Liter 1000 centimeter cube, which is minus 6 meter cube. இது volume into pressure. Pressure is the same way, 200 to 400. The difference is 200, but we wanted to find the half the value, which is 100 into kilo 10 to the power of 3. அவ்வளோதான். அப்போ half into pi into here 1, 2. 10 to the power of minus 4. 10 to the power of 100. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 4 into 10 to the power of 5 is nothing but, which is 10. So the answer is 10 pi by 2, which is 5 pi. Answer 5 pi joule is the correct answer. Okay, this is the work done by half circle. Area of the circle by 2. Here this r, that will, you will make mistake. R என்றது ரெண்டு சைடோட ஏரியா எடுக்கணும், length and breadth. ஸோ ஒன்று ப்ரெஷர்லையும் அடுத்த r வந்து வால்யூம்லையும் எடுக்கணும்.